Of course, I have some treats that's gonna have you move your feet out in these Dollar Tree streets. Honey, get into this. This is the 2-pack Freeman Brightening Cucumber Peel Off Mask. Face mask, $1.25. When I tell you they are really out here styling and definitely profiling. And I have a few more where that came from, Linda. Check these out. So I heard what you said. You said, Dina, where's the new? Okay, honey, I'm going to show you the new items. 2-pack Freeman Clearing Pomegranate Peel Off Face Mask. Honey, Dollar Tree said, listen, Linda. We're not going to give you one. We're going to give you two. Okay? Absolutely love this. 2 packs, $1.25. They also have the Detoxifying Charcoal Mud Face Mask, $1.25. Freeman. Also, if you are looking for anti-stress sea salt mud face mask, $1.25. When I tell you, if you need to unwind and have like a spa night, you and your girls, or you and your Beati sweetie, honey, come to Dollar Tree. These items are a go. Joe. Honey, I'ma just show you the new because you deserve that, boo. Look at this. Lip balms. Honey, 2-pack for $1.25. Are you kidding me? From Be Pure. So Dollar Tree has Compared to Vaseline Original Scented Lip Balm for healthy and nourished lips. Purely smooth, Dollar Tree said. Okay, Dollar Tree. Now, they also have this lip balm, Blushing Rose Scented, for smooth, rosy scented lips. Ooh, child, Compared to Vaseline Rosy Scented Lips. 2 for $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree also have this one as well, Creamy Caramel Scented. Ooh, child likes that. For sweet and creamy caramel scented lips, $1.25. Honey, get into it. It's the packaging for me. You know, marketing team, you doing your thing like a chicken wing. These next few items, you are not going to believe that Dollar Tree sells these. These next few items, honey, if I'm lying, I'm flying. I can't make this stuff up. Look no further. Look at this. Okay? This, honey, you know they sell this at Target. Okay? Honey, Target if you're fancy. Now, this mouthwash is the truth, to say the least. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Fresh Breath Oral Wrench, this is $5. Dollar Tree is out here definitely delivering for you and me. Honey, they fancy. Now, other items that Dollar Tree has is these cool electric toothbrushes. Look at this. Now, this is Barbie. Honey, they have a few of these. Barbie, they also have the Squishmallows. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then they also have the Hot Wheels. These are $5. Honey, when I tell you a steal deal like Holyfield, honey, Dollar Tree is out here slaying. They definitely not playing. Listen, love bugs, okay? I could only bring you the heat. I could just bring you the heat. If you want something plain Jane, honey, that's not up my lane. Delivering. Let's get into this. Okay, so Dollar Tree said we did not come here to play. Ready to wear? Look at this. Kiss Design Nails. Absolutely love these. Oh, and if you didn't know, these nails that I have on, these are Dollar Tree nails, okay? All right, and honey, it makes a difference when you do remove the cuticles, okay? If my phone would just focus. Honey, Dollar Tree definitely ain't playing. They have these nails. Now we've seen the velvet nails, magnetic powder finish. These are $1.25. Get into it, boo. I gotta show you the good. Now, Dollar Tree also have these 24 folks nails, adhesive with the raindrop effect on here. Those are cute. And what about the flaming fire pink nails over here, nail style? Absolutely love this as well. You get 24 for $1.25. Honey, am I spilling the tea? Okay, am I bringing the heat that's gonna have you move your feet out in these streets? Honey, I would say yes, I am. Now, if you are looking for a hydrating lip gloss, hyaluronic acid, Dollar Tree definitely has it. Dusty Rose. They have, this is $1.25 from Be Pure. They also have the Berry Kiss. Honey, get into this. They also have the Clean Beauty lip jellies. All right. These are, honey, I've seen these already. I have a few of these. Now, I think I have the Carnation and the Orchid. And no, that's the same exact thing, Carnation. So Carnation, Orchid, I think that's pretty. Oh no, they also have the Rose, $1.25. Now, other new items that Dollar Tree has, honey, when you be touching Bay, okay? Intensive Repair Hair Mask. Ooh, it's the packaging for me. This is $1.25. Absolutely love this. They also have the soft ass heels, oil gel soothing heel patch. They also have the nose acne patches. You know, if you have all those white, you know, when you squeeze your nose and stuff, honey, maybe you need one of these, okay, from Orchid. They also have the Bubble Blast Oxygen Bubble Facial Mask, Coconut Nourishing. These masks are $1.25. Honey, won't they do it? Won't they do it? And also these bubbling masks. These are cute. Illuminate and Oxygen Passion Fruit 1 mask scented, infused with vitamin C. They also have infused with lime extract, lime and mint, $1.25. So this is definitely a new item. I had seen Christianist, I think that's how you pronounce it here, color depositing conditioner, okay, terracotta, color depositing semi-permanent, deeply moisturizing, instantly softening for all hair types. Now, the cool thing about this, what Dollar Tree is saying, okay, is if your hair is dull, like this, plain Jane, it just ain't got no shame, okay, your hair gonna go from this to this, from this to this, honey, from this to this, okay. It's supposed to make it look, I guess, more healthy, all right, more softer. That's what Dollar Tree is saying. Honey, from this to this, tends to fade out to a pale copper. You can mix this with your non-pigmented conditioner for a more subtle result. Simulated results, individual results will vary. Ooh, child. And these are $1.25. Don't these look more than $1.25? Okay, honey, you ain't got to answer all at once, right? This looks definitely more than $1.25. Another new item that Dollar Tree has is honestly priced, honestly good, they say. Purple hair mask, bust, brass, and balance hair tones, all while nourishing strands for a vibrant finish. Includes our strand reviving complex, root to end. $1.25. Honey, a lot of these items, you know, they look like they weigh more than $1.25, if I can say so myself. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Nourishing Cream Shampoo formulated with shea butter, gently cleanses hair and scalp. These were selling out like hotcakes. This is from Be Pure. This is the shampoo, and then they also have the moisturizing cream conditioner. Help strengthen hair with vitamin B5, $1.25. No, honey, these are $3. Darn it. Honey, I'm telling you $1. Honey, these is $3. Other items that Dollar Tree has that is really, really cool is this makeup sponge with case. Look at this. This is supposed to be the cactus. Absolutely love this. Honey, try to tell me Dollar Tree ain't out here in these streets delivering for you and me. They also have the green. You know, green is my thing, like a chicken wing. All right. And then they also have this one. This is cute. This puts me in the mind of a bird cage. I don't know why, honey. I just don't know. Another item that is big at Dollar Tree is the Illuminate and Diamond Dust under eye patches, 6 pairs for $1.25. This is definitely a steal deal. Now, you know Dollar Tree has some new fragrance boosters. Yes, honey, if I'm lying, I'm flying, and I ain't got no wings. Now, these fragrance boosters, they are $1.25. Now, when I tell you these smell amazing, okay, we're going to go through this 1, 2, 3. real quick, Linda. Now, the purple one, it smells just like grape. I absolutely love the purple one. Really, really good. Now, they have the orange one as well as tropical. It smells a little citrusly. Okay, but I really like the purple. The purple remind me of grape soda. Okay, speaking of grape soda, I could go for a Welch's right now. These are so, so good. But if you see the purple one, honey, you may want to cop the purple. I'm just saying, FYI. Summer is literally tomorrow. And when I tell you the portable handheld misting fans that Dollar Tree has, now these are $5, all right? Provides a fresh, refreshing mist with built-in water. What? Okay, look at this. The water coming out of here. Child, you better hush your mouth like my grandmother would say. They also have this one, Cool Breeze. Now, this one is definitely new. Dollar Tree also have the portable neck fan. Be happy. These are $5. Absolutely love this. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Honey, are we styling and profiling or what? Okay? Are we moving our feet to the beat out in these streets or what, honey? Honey, I just got eggs. New items. Honey, I'ma deliver. Look at these. These are so cute. These glass bottles. Oh my goodness. Honey, you know those hooks that Dollar Tree has? It's like, tower hooks or something. You can buy a few of these. Fill this up with some pebble rocks. Create your own thing. Create your own thing like a chicken wing. I absolutely love this. So they have the yellow. They also have the purple. And the purple. Honey, I swear I do know my colors. All right, so don't you dare come for me, Linda. Okay, because I know my colors. But aren't these cute? Honey, put a 3 in the chat. Now, I know if you watch the whole video. Okay, you can't be out here saying you support and you watching only 1 second. Now, come on, get it together now. We're in this together, honey. Just in case if you guys have not seen these are men's boxer briefs, ear heads, and they also have Papa. Honey, get into it. $1.25. If you are looking to get your dad something for Father's Day, honey, look no further. Dollar Tree definitely have some items like this 6x4 picture frame. This is really, really cute. Dad, well done. We're awesome. Oh, I love this. $1.25. They also have this one. Now, this one is by far my fave. I like that you have 4 picture options. Okay, this is so cute. It comes in a white frame and also a black frame. They also have the Dad, My Forever Hero. Love this. This is so cute. $1.25. Now, if you are looking for some decor for Father's Day or to give your father something to open his beer with, okay, Dad, I know I may be the reason you drink, so enjoy this. Okay, they have the thing right here so he can open his beer, wine, whatever, honey. And these sayings are so cute. So Dad's Workshop, if it isn't broken, don't fix it. Go ask your mother. When in doubt, use duct tape. Let me see. Dad's Workshop, my tools, my rules. I know that's right. Dad's Fishing Rules. Bait your own hook, clean your own fish, tell your own fish stories. Ooh, I like this. Dad's Garage, always open, fatherly advice, priceless. This is nice. I'm going to always tell you guys about this, all right? You see this big, huge, dang 20% more bonus pack? This is $3. Honey, you heard what I said, $3. Now, Dollar Tree also have these new items. This is the Scrub and Bubbles Easy Clean Multi-Purpose Foam. Now, if you are looking for some cleaning supplies, I highly recommend you come to Dollar Tree. Because those cleaning supplies like Pine Sol, Lysol, whatever Sol, honey, you can get them for $1.25. Okay, that's a steal deal like Holyfield. You get what I'm saying? Now they also have this multi-purpose foam. Now this is a bathroom cleaner. Both of them bathroom cleaners. All right. both pretty much the same exact concept. One is just like this and the other one is like, you know, a mist form. Dollar Tree is out here doing it. Looking for an awesome cleaning? Oh my goodness. Check this out. Cleaning vinegar. Now, they sell this on Amazon. Gently cleans most surfaces. The thing that I absolutely love about this, streak free. Now, I know some of the Dollar Tree items, they be saying streak free, okay? Like those wipes for the mirror. Honey, those wasn't streak free. But when I tell you this is really, really good. I use this for my stove. I have like a stainless steel stove, and then also for the sink, the mop wood. Ooh, child. And it do have a hint of vinegar. So just FYI, if you don't like or care for vinegar, this probably would not be for you. For cleaning purposes only. Okay, honey, don't you dare try to wash no meat with this. $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Rain-X bug remover. This is $4. Windshield washer fluid. They out here. You know what? I ain't mad at them. Okay, I ain't hardly mad at Dollar Tree because they out here showing out. Now, check these Father's Day cards out. Absolutely love this. June the 15th is Father's Day. Honey, just so you don't forget, handcrafted greeting cards. Premium paper and envelopes with foil seals. Check this out. Honey, this is doing it. Relax. Absolutely love this. Look at this. Okay, you deserve it. Happy Father's Day. Oh, I know that's right. Honey, it's the design for me. They also have this one with the aliens. Dad, you're out of this world. I know that's right. Happy Father's Day to the king of the grill on Father's Day. Look at this. Hope your day is done to perfection. I know that's right. Yay. Happy Father's Day. Your number one fan. Ooh, child. When it comes to being a great dad, you are an all-star. Honey, don't make me cry. Joke teller, tech support, listening ear, hero, bank, number one fan, coach. Haha, love this. Let me see. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Thank you for all that you do. I hope you enjoy your day because you deserve it. I love you. Ooh. This one is cute. Wishing you a whopping good Father's Day. Honey, I know you ain't think that I was going to read all of these. I know you didn't. All right, Sugar Foods. Just in case, if you missed the first go round of these, the dispensers and tumblers, $5. Absolutely love this. They come in 3 different colors. Green is my thing, like a chicken wing. They also have the red and also the blue. You get 4 cups, and then you also get the dispenser. I absolutely love this. Honey, this is a steal deal. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite items. Mine's definitely was the Vaseline tubes that they had. The 2 for $1.25. Honey, those was definitely styling and profiling. Honey, you talk about deals, steals, trills for real. They also had those Freeman masks. Honey, that was it. That was litty lit. All right, $1.25 for a 2-pack. Absolutely love. Let me know what was your favorite. Until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next one.